Hi everyone, it's Miss Carla here at the Palos Heights Public Library. Today we're going to do a fun little activity in honor of it being spring. We're going to go ice fishing. I know it doesn't really sound like spring, but I thought it would be something fun we could do together. So let me turn my camera. It's a pretty simple experiment. You're going to need some ice cubes. Let me turn that a little bit more. I have ice cubes on a plate. I have a piece of yarn, and I actually already wet this one end of the yarn, which is something you're going to want to do. And then I am going to take you're going to want some salt. And we are going to sprinkle salt carefully over our ice cubes. And you want it, my ice cubes are already starting to melt, so make sure you're ready for this part before you get out everything. So now we're going to wait 10 seconds for it to absorb the salt. So we'll count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we're going to see how many ice cubes we can pick up with our wet string. So I'm going to lay my string carefully, I have yarn, across my ice cubes. And we are going to wait 10 seconds again for it to absorb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's see here. Okay, so it didn't work. Let's try a little more salt. Sometimes with science experiments, you got to do things more than once. Okay, I'm going to try to push this down a little bit so the salt can bond. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, there we go. Almost. I had almost 3 ice cubes, but they started to move on me. I'm going to try one more time. Try to press this guy down a little bit more onto the salt. And try one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, I don't know if you saw that, I got one. So I think some things maybe I did wrong is this needed to be wet more, the one end of my yarn. It seemed like 10 seconds wasn't quite long enough, so I noticed the longer I had the yarn on there, it seemed to stick better to the salt. So you can play around with this experiment at home and try different things. You could also try substitutions for salt. You could try flour, you could try sugar, see if those work. And if they do, let me know. I'd love to hear about it. But I'll see you next time in the next program. Bye!